Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to open Clock app and select Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then, before adding your alarm, select those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Settings and manage all of those options under Alarms however you wish to, like Snooze. When you finished, click on the back button and to add your alarm, select this plus. Now set up an hour. When you're ready, click on OK and tap on Add Label at the top. Over here, you can label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. To save your label, click on OK. Then tap on Days of the Week by clicking on the chosen ones. And tap on those icons next to Pause Alarm, Vibrate and Google Assistant Routine to manage all of those options. When you finished, click on this little bell icon and tap on YouTube Music or Sounds. If you wish to use YouTube Music, log in to your account and go back. If you don't, you can always tap on Sound section, click on Add New and pick music from your smartphone. If you wish to, you can also just pick one of those sounds instead, like Nokia alarm clock, and go back as well. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to hide all of those options, click on the top right corner. In order to get rid of your alarm though, you need to click on the same corner again and access Bin at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!